got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under my...
Kasabay nito ay ang paghahanda naman ni Tokyo para sa kanyang operasyon. Pinahinto ni Tokyo ang mga nurse at sinabi nito na, hayaan niyo akong maglakad. Okay lang ba yon?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
At kasabay din nito ang pag-amin ni Ken sa kanyang amo na hindi niya kayang patayin si Genji. Sinabi ni Joji na mukhang desidido ka na sa desisyon mo at siguradong pumunta ka na sa kanila para bigyan sila ng babala. Dagdag pa nito, ang tanga mo, sarili mong buhay ang kapalit nito. Tapos ay pinahanda ni Joji ang sasakyan. Sa kabilang banda naman, nagtipon na rin ang Serizawa faction. Nag-aalala man si Serizawa kay Tokyo, tumuloy pa rin ito sa laban. Sinabi ni Shoji na, sigurado ka ba na hindi mo sasamahan si Tokyo? Sinabi ni Serizawa na, kasama natin siya sa laban na to. Tapos ay tinawag ni Serizawa si Yuji Tokaji at nilapitan niya ito. Sinabi nito na, ipanalo natin ang laban na to at ipagyabang natin kay Tokyo. Ikinatuwa ni Yuji Tokaji ang sinabi ni Serizawa. Mula sa itaas ng gusali, nanonood ang Ebisuka Trio. Sinabi ni Honjo na magsisimula na ang laban. Sinabi naman ni Hiromi Kirishima na nasa 100 miyembro ang Serizawa faction at ang GPS naman ay nasa 70 lang. Sinabi naman ni Honjo na maliban sa mas marami ang Serizawa faction, mas malakas din sila. Walang pag-asang manalo ang GPS. Sinabi naman ni Hiromi Kirishima na huwag ka munang manigurado. At ito ang sumunod na pangyayari.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You were not as tough as I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never...
Sinabi ni Makoto Sugihara na lumalamang na ang Serizawa faction. Sinabi naman ni Honjo kay Hiromi na sinabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Maghintay lang kayo at manood. Sagot naman ni Hiromi Kirishima. At nang lumalaki na ang lamang ng Serizawa faction, naupo muna si Serizawa at sinabi nito na, yan lang ba ang kaya nyo? Tapos ay biglang dumating ang grupo ni Bando.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. to myself.
Sinabi ni Bando na, sa akin si Serizawa, kaya ang nangyari sa laban na to ay isa laban sa dalawa, Serizawa Faction laban sa GPS at Front of Armament.
Promise I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Imbis na mag-alala, ay mas natuwa pa si Serizawa. Sinabi ni Honjo na, bakit pumanig si Bando sa grupo ng GPS? Sinabi ni Hiromi na, sa palagay ko, gusto niya ding matalo si Serizawa. Sinabi ni Honjo na, konti lang ang Front of Armament, pero biglang naging pantay na kagad ang laban.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
Yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always
yeah.
flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure.
Sa sobrang tindi ng labanan, si Genji at Serizawa na lang ang natitirang nakatayo.
Will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go better.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Kasabay ng laban na to, hinahanda naman ang pagpatay kay Ken. Sinabi ni Joji na, gusto mo ang coat na to, hindi ba? Tapos ay ibinigay ito ni Joji sa kanya. Sinabi nito na, nagsisisi ka ba na naging bahagi ka ng Yakuza? Hindi po, malungkot naman na sagot ni Ken. Sinabi ni Joji na, huwag mo sanang personalin ito, pero kailangan kang maging isang halimbawa. At nang nakapwesto na si Ken, sinabi ni Joji na, kapayapaan para sa'yo. Tapos ay sumigaw si Ken at sinabi nito na, Genji, tuparin mo ang pangarap mo. At dito na siya pinaputukan ni Joji. Kasabay nito ay hinang-hinana din si Genji at Serizawa.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Sa huli, si Genji ang nanatiling nakatayo at kahit hirap na ito ay tinitiis pa rin niya para manalo. Hindi na muling bumangon si Serizawa at ang nanalo sa laban na to ay si Genji. Napasigaw si Makise sa pagkapanalo ni Genji. Sa kabilang banda naman, habang patuloy sa paglubog sa tubig si Ken, sinasabi nito sa sarili na, Genji, kung hindi tayo nagkakilala, patuloy lang na magiging patapon ng buhay ko. Maraming salamat. Kasabay nito, tumawag ang doktor ni Tokiyo mula sa ospital. Sinabi ni Serizawa na, kumusta na si Tokiyo? Natuwa si Serizawa dahil tagumpay ang operasyon ni Tokiyo. Natalo man sila sa laban, panalo pa rin sila dahil tagumpay ang operasyon ng kanyang kaibigan. Sinabi nito sa mga kasamahan niya na, nagtagumpay si Tokiyo. At ikinatuwa din ito ni Yuji Tokaji. Si Genji naman ay halos hindi na rin makatayo dahil sa tindi ng laban nila ni Serizawa. At kasabay din nito, napansin ni Ken na buhay pa pala siya at nahihirapan siyang huminga. Nang mapagtanto ni Ken na hindi talaga siya pinatay ng kanyang amo, napaiyak si Ken at nagpasalamat ito. Makalipas ang ilang araw, Pinuntahan ni Serizawa at ni Tokyo si Genji para panoorin ang laban nito kay Rindaman. Sinabi ni Genji kay Rindaman na, pasensya na, pero kung hindi kita tatalunin, hindi magiging akin ang susuran. Sinabi ni Rindaman na hindi mo magagawa yon kahit kailan. Kagaya ng pagtalo mo kay Serizawa, palaging merong bagong papalit, paulit-ulit lang itong mangyayari. Yun ang susuran. Makikipaglaban ka ng paulit-ulit hanggang sa makagraduate ka. Ang pananakop ay isa lamang pangarap. Huwag ka munang manigurado, sagot naman ni Genji. Sinabi ni Rindaman na hindi kita aatrasan. At ito ang nangyari.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new.
Natalo si Genji nang hindi man lang nakakatama. So